Salam. Happy New Year to everyone. Uh, People are asking why Allah is not helping Palestinians. Uh, I don't know what will be the answer, but yeah, people are looking for the answer, and I just want someone to address this question. Thank you.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this world, first of all, we need to understand the purpose of our creation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it very, very clear that we have been created to be tested in this world. And so He has said, for example, in Surah Al-Mulk, تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا. So He has made it very, very clear that we have created this death, this life, so that we test you, so that we see who is best among you in terms of his actions and deeds. So it's possible for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help anyone or anybody. So if I change your question slightly, I can say, why did Imam Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not help Imam Hussein alayhi salam? Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not help Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam over the kuffar? Why the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had to fight these people? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it very clear that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not normally intervene in these kind of issues. He has left it on us to decide what we want to do, because it's a test for us. So whatever is happening in Gaza and Palestine and everywhere else, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to see what our stance is, what we are doing about it. Because if He wanted to help everybody, He could have done it very, very quickly and easily, and it was actually He would not have put them in allowed them to go through such problems if He wanted to save them. So it is not that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to punish anyone or wants to make others suffer, etc. He has created a system of causes and effects, and through these causes and effects, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests everybody. And so He is testing all the human beings, and especially the Muslims. He wants to see whether as Muslims we would help the oppressed people of Palestine, and even any other people who are being oppressed by others. And based on that, we would be responsible, answerable, and asked by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment what our stance was, what we did about it. And so whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would want to help anyone, it's just kun fayakun. It's very, very quick and easy, straightforward. So the people are suffering not because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has caused this suffering. It is the people, other people who have done it. So those who have done and caused this oppression, zulm, etc., would be punished, and those who have been through this oppression, they would be rewarded for their suffering. But the others who did not participate in it, yet they did not do anything about it as well, they would also be answerable, and they would be judged and questioned accordingly by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope this answers your question.